Hi guys. Okay, so today, for today, I know we are Thursday, but we're going to be doing Wednesday's passage. We're going to be reading Don't Eat Meat, and then we're going to answer questions 1 to 3, and then fill in the boxes in page 3. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so here we go. Don't eat meat. Some animals eat other animals. So most animals have ways to protect themselves. They run or hide or fight. Run! Some animals move fast to get away from enemies. For example, a gazelle can run as fast as a car. Ostriches run very fast too. Animals that run fast are hard to catch and eat. Hide. Some animals are hard to see. A snowshoe rabbit is white, so it can hide in the snow. An interesting insect called a walking stick looks just like a twig. These animals can hide from enemies. Some animals can fight to stay safe. For example, spiders and snakes bite to kill other animals. Lions and bears have strong teeth and claws to fight with. Many animals stay safe because they run, hide, or fight. So let's go ahead and answer the questions. So let's go to question number 1. It says, what is the main idea of this article? Is it A, animals run, hide, or fight to protect themselves? B, the snowshoe rabbit is very hard to see when it snows? C, the best way for animals to protect themselves is to run as fast as a car. Answer the question on a piece of paper. Number 2, what kind of protection does an ostrich use? A, it attacks with its beak. It runs very fast. Or C, it hides near trees. Answer the question. Number 3, why does the author use headings in this article? Is it A, to help you see the important ideas? B, to make the article long enough to fit on the page? Or C, to make the pictures more important? Okay guys, so here, fill in the empty boxes and then write a summary of the article. So right here, ways animals defend themselves. So for example, run, example, ostriches. So what do ostriches do? They run. So right here in the next two, you can say, what do snakes and spiders, what do they do? And then you fill in the blank. And then the same thing here. Write it on a piece of paper and then answer the question.